In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hailuo AI without Watermark. If you've been exporting content with a watermark, the key is switching to a paid plan. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can find the plan that removes the watermark and suits your needs. First, head to hailuoi.video in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the sidebar and main dashboard appear clearly. The layout can change over time, but you should see a left-hand menu with key navigation options. Next, click on Sale on the left side. This is where Hailuo AI highlights its paid plans and any current offers. Opening this section brings you to the subscription area where you can review plan tiers and see what each one provides. Since watermark-free exports are a paid feature, this is the place you'll confirm which plan includes that benefit and the usage limits that match your workflow. Start by clicking on Pro. This tier is often the entry point into premium features. As you open it, look for details about export quality, usage credits, and whether watermark-free outputs are included. Take a moment to note any differences in monthly versus annual pricing if they're displayed. Then click on Master. This tier typically expands limits and may include faster processing or broader feature access. Compare what you see here to the Pro plan so you understand whether the added capacity or tools justify the upgrade for your use case. Next, click on Ultra. This plan usually targets heavier creators who need higher volumes, better performance, or enhanced options. As you review it, pay attention to any mention of priority rendering, larger quotas, or advanced creation tools that might impact the way you produce your content. After that, click on Max. This is generally the top tier, designed for the highest output and the most generous limits. If you're producing content at scale or want maximum flexibility, this page will help you evaluate whether the extra capacity is worthwhile for you. Once you've opened and reviewed these plan pages, choose the one that fits your workflow and confirms watermark-free exports. Pricing, features, and naming can evolve, so always rely on what's shown on the screen at the time you're subscribing. If the interface looks a little different, follow the same path. Go to hailuoi.video, open the sales section, and then review Pro, Master, Ultra, and Max to find the plan with no watermark. That's it. After you're on a paid plan, your future exports should render without the watermark according to your plan's terms.